On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat login error. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then go back, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you would find all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Snapchat, click on it, and then go to the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, and now what you want to do is click on this data usage right here. Make sure that all those options are turned on or enabled right here. Go back and click on this force stop or stop the app from here, and then go back into the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks and disable the airplane mode, and now restart your phone, reopen Snapchat. Don't forget to like, subscribe.